with the sound of music, with songs they have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song it hears.
Let's just make sure we're on the right bus though. I mean, you probably can't miss what it looks like on the outside, but just in case you did, we are all here for the sound of music, aren't we?
Yes.
Excellent. So, following questions for that. Is everyone okay to be on a bus full of singing people? Yes. Her experiences, confessed to having quite the crush on 35-year-old Christopher. This is the most gossip you're getting on the tour, so pay attention. It was Liesl. But she wasn't 16 going on 17. She was 21. So kind of, I guess that's also almost okay. But yes, she thought Christopher was pretty nice. The children were in the Sheraton with their mothers and their governess who kept their education up. Their governess was previously governess to Shirley Temple while she was making films. Now we're coming across to the beautiful Salzburg Altstadt, the old town. We have a look over on the right. The rectangle building up on top there is the Museum of Modern Art, which figures. Inside that building, inside that mountain, is a lift that takes you up to the Museum of Modern Art for a few euros, and then you can.
Yeah, the view, the sound of music. Kung saan sila na tumaob ang bangka.
Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright. You look happy to meet me. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright. You look happy to meet me. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever.